In this spoon lies all the secret to making the best chicken wings. Ingredients. For the chicken wings: 2.5 kilograms chicken wings, 550 milliliters water, 25 grams brown sugar, 10 grams black pepper, 10 grams salt, 20 grams garlic, 20 grams baking soda, 7 bay leaves, 250 grams cornstarch, 7 grams salt, 5 grams black pepper, 200 grams ketchup, 30 grams butter, 40 grams honey, 1 lemon, 50 milliliters water, 20 grams instant coffee, 7 grams salt, 5 grams black pepper. For the salad: 200 grams cabbage, 200 grams red cabbage, 70 grams yellow bell pepper, 70 grams red bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 10 grams parsley, 10 milliliters lemon juice, and 70 grams mayonnaise.